Hi guys, just quickly show you this. When you're wrapping around this with the niche, don't do the full wall obviously, got so far up, I need to get that done. But here, I'm putting this up here to this side here to make sure this is definitely going to meet up, and that's all going to be bang on. It will be obviously, working off me joints and what have you, that's all nice and plumb, but you don't just put one full side up to the top there and then jump on this side and expect that to meet up there. Because if there is any kind of variation in your tiles, which there can be, because the tiles aren't great anymore, you know what I mean? They're all sizey and whatnot, so just keep you posted and see how well this goes in. So yeah, just thought I'd just do you a quick video just to show you this around this niche going up. We'll frame out around the sides and then hopefully it'll meet up nice and straight. Well then guys, I've just framed this around here on this niche. So just as you can see, it all lines through nice, all coming down there. It all lines up and it lines up over the top nice and square. So that's all cut out now. So what I'm going to do now is rake the rest of this in and get all that cut in, get all that fixed. So yeah, I'll be in touch. We'll start with these. Alright. Diagonal cut with the mold plastic peel back. With a bit of porcelain tile with a bit of texture. Wow. Nice and clean.